planned in that way because गाय जो खाती है वो ही दूध में convert होता है. So we give a lot of importance to our feed, and that helps us give more than 17 micronutrients वाला milk, which is necessary for a 5-year-old also, and which is suitable for an 85-year-old.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to IMA's podcast series. Today, we have with us somebody who's very active and is on a mission to provide a healthy product to the citizens of this country, Miss Ankita Khabia.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to the podcast. So, Ankita, I would want to begin with knowing what Active Move Farms is.
So, Active Move Farms is a journey of making India healthy. So, we own our farm, we are dairy consultants, and we understand and teach cow language. This is what Active Move Farms is.
Cow language, that is a very interesting term that you've used.
Yes.
Can you elaborate more? What do you provide? How do you think you're making the people healthy or giving them a healthy product?
So, when I started my journey with Active Move Farms, we are nurturing almost 100 cows at our farm. So we understand the habits of our cows and we understand the DNA of our cows, and that's how we plan that diet. And when we understand them, we understand their language, that what they are communicating to us, and they are like a family. And that's why I call this term that I understand my cow's language.
Beautiful. How did you get into this journey?
So I'm a I'm a Bombay girl. So one day my husband came up to me and said that, मुझे ना बिजनेस में वो किक नहीं आ रहा है. तो लाइक अच्छा ये किक क्या होता है और कैसे आता है ये किक? I want to do something which touches my soul and I can do something good for the humanity. I'm like, अच्छी बात है, ढूंढो, करो. I was like very, very naive that time. Then he introduced me to Active Move Farms. And during the pandemic, I realized that what he was talking about, he has gifted me this Active Move Farms. He has brought me into something which is so miraculous. I'm giving back to the society with my healthy products, which is A2 cow milk. I'm nurturing my cows so beautifully because healthy cows bring healthy milk and happy cows bring happy milk. So all my cows at my farm are happy, and I and Saurabh, we are both doing that with a lot of passion.
So you're creating a product that works for an 85-year-old and a 5-month-old.
Yes.
What is your marketing strategy?
So when we introduced the term active A2 cow milk in Indore was very naive about it. We've done all sort of ground level activities wherein we've done door to door education, exhibitions. Imagine, have you seen a doodh bottle in an exhibition? No, but I have stood up in Sayaji promoting that doodh bottle, that why this milk is better than any other milk that you are having. So that's why this milk is suitable to a 5-year-old also and an 85-year-old also, because it is packed with nutrition, because our feed is planned in that way. Because गाय जो खाती है वो ही दूध में convert होता है. So we give a lot of importance to our feed, and that helps us give more than 17 micronutrients wala milk, which is necessary for a 5-year-old also, and which is suitable for an 85-year-olds.
Okay, all right. एक बहुत ही नोशन जो अभी चल रहा है, या फैट बोले, कि गाय का दूध या भैंस का दूध इसको नहीं करके वी हैव टू शिफ्ट टू बेटर ऑल्टरनेटिव्स लाइक आलमंड मिल्क और ओट मिल्क, सोय मिल्क. What is your view on that?
So firstly, almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, they are not milk, they are juices. Okay? Because milk has to be packed with nutrition that a cow can generate or a mammal can generate. Oat milk will have only qualities of an oat. Almond milk will have only qualities of almond and not more than 17 micronutrients which are available in cow milk, which will benefit you. Milk is considered a wholesome meal, and oat milk or any other alternatives don't have those wholesome nutrition value that a milk will have.
That's a very good clarity that you've given us today. Along with this, what do you see the future of milk as Active Moo or as of somebody who's producing cow's milk and promoting it so well?
So now people are becoming more mindful as to we should have organic products. We should have pure milk. We should know the source of our milk because हर सफेद चीज दूध नहीं होती है. You know, you are getting milk in Tetra Pak. You are getting milk in theli. Your doodh wala is also getting milk. But what is the right source of milk? You need to understand where it is coming from, how those cows are being treated, whether they are well nurtured or they are just being fed 3-4 दिन पुराना खाना and that milk is being served to them. So understanding the structure of the source from where your milk is coming is very important. And now people are getting more aware and mindful of what we are supposed to eat. So the future is very bright, and we welcome such innovative changes that is coming.
Any message that you would want to give the young generation जो जिसके दिमाग में सबसे पहले रखता है कि दूध नहीं, ये तो चीज नहीं कंज्यूम करनी होती है,
Yeah.
इससे बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो सकता है.
Yeah, so I'll tell you why दूध में smell आती है. That is because hand milking जब होती है, it is open. Your hand is not always hygienic. आप first time जब milk कर रहे हो, your hand is washed and clean. But जब आप बहुत सारी mammals को एक साथ में milk करते हो, तो you're not washing your hand all the time. Then that milk is kept open. So the bacterial count of the milk increases at the room temperature. So when the bacteria increases, the smell, वो एक अराउंड की गोबर की स्मेल और ये सारी चीजें जब आती है, दैट मिल्क स्मेल्स ऑफुल. बट अब विथ टेक्नोलॉजी कमिंग इन, व्हेन वी हैव स्टार्टेड डूइंग मशीन मिल्किंग, इट डज नॉट कम इन ओपन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द एटमॉस्फेयर एनवायरनमेंट. तो दूध में नॉर्मल स्मेल नहीं आती है. इफ यू any time, any point of time, if you open Active Move Farms milk or any other milk who is doing by machine milking, you will not get awful smell. मतलब वो लोग कहते हैं ना, गाय का दूध हम नहीं पी पाते हैं. मैं चैलेंज देती हूँ, आप पहचान ही नहीं पाओगे कि ये गाय का दूध है या बफेलो मिल्क है. बस सिर्फ उसके फैट पे एंड कलर पे थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन आता है, बट अदरवाइज वी मेंटेन इट बिकॉज ऑफ मशीन मिल्किंग.
So what is the future of Active Move?
So now we have spent almost 8 years at our farm with various benchmarks that we have created in the industry. I would like to take this forward into dairy education and consultation. Basically, right now, dairy industry is a very unorganized sector in India. अभी भी ग्वाला आता है, मेरे पास गाय है, दूध निकाला, दे दिया. It is not organized. We would like to educate these farmers that how to nurture their cows, how to increase their longevity, how to balance your feed so that their longevity again increases and they can give you good quality and quantity of milk. So we want to get into education and consultation now.
That is such a noble thing that you're doing. All the best for your journey.
Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much for educating us today on such an interesting topic and such an important product. And as you say, healthy you with Active Move. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you so much.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on IMA's YouTube channel.